my stew pork. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today I will be doing for you part 2 of my stew pork. So I have 2 pounds of pork washed and cut up. I have my seasoning. I have all-purpose, black pepper, salt, and jerk seasoning. I have onions, scallion, hot pepper, thyme, and sweet pepper. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add my powder seasoning, and then I will be cutting up my onion, scallion, sweet pepper, and thyme to add. So guys, I have also some pegs of garlic that I will be adding. I'm just gonna rub this seasoning into the meat now. You can choose to use your hands or you can use your gloves. Okay guys. At this time I will be adding some browning to the meat. Just roughly a spoon. At this time, I will be adding the sweet pepper and a bit of ginger. Ginger is good for you to use in your pork, guys. So guys, this is all seasoned and I'm gonna leave this for a couple hours to marinate before I start cooking. Okay. Hi guys, I'm back. Time to cook my pork. So the pot is on the fire. I'm gonna get it going. Gonna get some oil and then to brown my pork. Okay guys, I'm sure it's gonna take some pressure in, but first I'm gonna brown it first. Okay, added some oil to the pot, so I'm waiting on it to get hot before adding the pork. Alright, so guys, I'm gonna remove all the seasoning and add the pork to the oil. It's now time to turn the meat so that they are browned properly. So guys, at this time I'm adding some hot water to gradually cook it a bit. I'm sure it's gonna need a pressure cooker soon, but I'm gonna just leave it like this to brown some more by adding some water to it. Okay. So guys, this one is for you only if you love pork, okay? So guys, I've added the meat to the pressure cooker and I'm adding some more hot water to allow it to pressure until tender, okay? Right. So guys, the meat is not pressure, it's soft enough. So I've transferred the meat into the pot, so I'm allowing it to cook with that seasoning before putting some final touches like some butter and a little ketchup. Alright guys, so stay tuned. So there you have it guys, I'm adding half tablespoon of butter. Just add in roughly 1 tablespoon of ketchup. You don't have to, it's optional, and choose not to. You could also add some bean to it, pork and bean. Yes, that's nice also. Yes. All right. So guys, I'm just covering it now and let it finish cook. Let it simmer, and then I'm done. Pork is ready. Okay. And there you have it guys, all done and ready to be eaten. Look at it, how lovely it looks. And there you have it guys, my stewed pork with some broccoli and carrots. Enjoy, happy cooking. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and your families, and don't forget to leave me a comment on what you think about this recipe. Okay guys, if you like my recipe, please go ahead and try it. Okay guys, and thank you all for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye. My stew pork.